Hello everyone, I'm SaTales and today it's time for a new Blender lesson. If you haven't heard already, Blender 5.0 is out. You can download it from the official Blender page, blender.org. The new Blender version is full of amazing features. I wanted to show all of them, but for now I decided to first go with one of my favorites, the circle array. So let's get started. Firstly, select the camera and light and delete them with X. Select the cube with left mouse button and go to modifiers. Go to Add Modifier, Generate Subdivision Subsurface. Change Levels Viewport and Render to 3. Click right mouse button and choose Shade Smooth. Switch to Edit Mode with Tab. Scale it with S plus Z for around 0.25. Add a loop with Ctrl plus R. Switch to selecting vertices with 1 and select these two vertices. Move them with G plus Y for around 1.5. Add a new loop cut with Ctrl plus R and add one more. Select both loops and move them up with G plus Z for around 0.4. Switch to selecting edges with 2, select these two edges. Move them with G plus Y to the left for around 0.6. Switch to object mode with Tab, go to modifier, add modifier array, not array legacy, that is the old one. Change shape to circle. Change radius to around 0.95. And count to 6 or any other number you want. And now adjust the radius again. I change it to 1.38. You can play even more with count and radius if you don't like how your flower currently looks. In the end, I decided to count 9 and with a radius of 1.84. Go to Add, Mesh UV Sphere, scale it with S as you think is the best. Right mouse button and choose Shade Smooth. Scale it with S plus Z as you think it looks the best. And move it up with G plus Z. Press Ctrl plus A and apply the scale. You can again change the look of your flower by adjusting the number in the count. This is just one example of how a new array can simplify modeling in Blender. Do you think of anything else? Let me know in the comments. If you had fun learning with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I recently started a Patreon with more exclusive content, including 3D models, blend files, and sharing my experience on how to sell your 3D models, how to find clients in ArcViz, etc. You can also download a free Blender guide based on this lesson, so feel free to check it out if you prefer text tutorials or video tutorials. It is updated regularly. There is something for both free and paid members, so don't forget to check the link in the description. And if you have any questions, write them down in the comments. Happy blending everyone, bye, see you next time!